Words, a letter and a letter on the string will hold forever humanity. Spell our words, obsession of the beggar and the king. Everybody, every day, you and I all can say words, regarded as a complicated tool, created by many, implicated by mankind. Words, obsession of the genius and the fool. Everybody, every day, everywhere and every way. All words, find them. You can't use them, say them. You can't hear them, write them. You can't read them, love them, fear them. Words just needed as repeated from the start, received by all and we're sentenced to a life with words. Impression of the stupid and the smart. Everybody, every day, you and I, we all can say words. Inside your head can come alive as they say, softly, loudly, modestly and proudly. Words, expression by the living and the dead. Everybody, every day, everywhere and every way. Oh, words, find them. You can't use them, say them. You can't hear them, write them. You can't read them, love them, fear them. Use them, say them, hear them, write them, read